Hi, I'm Deathlake. So it's New Year. Me and the human guinea pig is going to try out this rice cake thing. It's a New Year Japanese dessert. Saw this in Japan Center and thought, oh, we got to try this. It's a rice cake, quite novel. I'm not sure if it's all plastic and then the food's inside. It's got a plastic orange on top. It's quite cute. Oh, little decoration. Paper wedge 2018. I think that says, I don't know, good luck. Maybe not. If you like to see videos walking around Japan Center or trying out different types of foods, please do check the link in the description box. But not yet. Not until we try this out. So I'm gonna get this paper out. Ooh. Oh, this is a moment. Opening this. So this is what the plastic looks like. This is encased. I don't know if I take that off or not. Yes, second layer food. Nope, the second layer is not food. It's just a plastic sticker with orange on top. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Do not mess with my plastic orange here. I've handed off the camera to the human guinea pig so I can open this, and now there's the view of my feet for no reason. Ah, come on. Ah.
Yeah, there's a knife there, right?
Ah, no, my finger hurt.
Feet.
Wait, they don't need to see my feet.
Yeah, there's no way you're opening this.
At least it's sealed. I'm going to take this paper thing off because I want to keep that. Yeah, this is what it literally looks like. Like... Oh, yes. Happy 2018. Oh yeah, I'm guessing the colour will be gone after. Take that out. It's not hard. It's like plastic. Try it. Whoops.
Yeah, I can try it when you drop it.
Try it. You don't like it?
What? It's so hard. It has no taste, it tastes really hard.
There's no point asking me if it's supposed to taste like this. I've never had it in my life. Oh, so the colour's going to be gone after they take this out, isn't it? It's so... You just want to eat you, man. I'm going to try you. Oh.
What, it's supposed to be a rice cake?
Yeah, that's what it apparently is.
You just get the knife and just parts
Oh,
of it.
damn it, those instructions. I think they were instructions.
Looks like Play-Doh, mate.
It's really decorative, isn't it? I thought maybe it'll be tasty. And then in the background is your crying brother. I'm probably destroying at it. Okay, pause it again. It's rock solid, and just realised we were supposed to cook this, so this is actually technically an unboxing video instead of a trying out video. I'm going to be cooking this at some stage. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And now I'm going to figure out how this is going to be cooked out of the packet. Thank you for watching. Little orange.